love you guys. Hope everybody's doing well. I wanted to try to get this voiced over to help out the process of what I did. But this is the same color shifting powder I used for the polish with the video I just did, how to make polish with the pigment powder. So I wanted to see if we could also use it, saving our coins, to cross over to make magnetic polygel. And then of course this magnetic is like the color shift also. I try to get good pictures, but it's really hard to get like when it changes to purple because the LED lights, it's so bright, I guess. But so I used 3 different colors to see if it made a difference with the clear or with the green, because it's almost like black, and a lot of the times this stuff needs a black background to kind of reflect better. So I tried it with the different colors, and I kind of labeled it through the video. You see nothing happens when I first mix them, and I'm assuming because the polygel's thick and the magnetic like can't come to the surface. So I add top coat, and I know it's edited and stuff, but I left in every time I added top coat and stuff so you could get what it was like. But you'll see, stay until the very end because you'll see the easiest way I figured out how to get it done. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy the video. You'll see again, it doesn't, after this first top coat, it still doesn't work.
Do you have a moment? And this very second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision?
I add more top coat and mix it again, which I don't think I probably needed to, because you'll see at the end where I sandwich it in between top and base coat, and it works a lot better. But stay tuned, you'll see. I got some more results, but I think if I wouldn't have mixed it and I just would have tried the magnet, it probably would have worked better like we do on the second now.
Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored skies, chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty all of you. You know it feels alright.
Okay, this time I put the top coat on and I don't mix it together with the gel, and I notice it works a lot better. So we move on and we try it with a new nail. Don't forget when you're working with your polygels, mixing stuff, trying to save a coin, that when you add polish and stuff like that, not so much pigments, but polishes and stuff are gonna compromise the structure of the nail and the durability of the polygel and stuff like that. So don't forget that. So just be careful when you're adding stuff. That's why I took it off the plate and was adding it on the nail instead of adding it to all the polygels at once, adding it to a small portion of the polygel and testing it.
Alright. Yeah.
So here's the last one I did, and it didn't take a lot of different mixing and stuff to do it. I just added a base or a top. I use a top, but I'm sure you could use base also. I didn't cure it. I think that might be helping it. So I didn't cure it, added a top coat, and then I added the Polygel, just what was left on the plate, and it only had I mixed one time top coat in it, so it did have top coat mix in it, just not like 4 or 5 times. And then I added top coat again before I used the magnet, and it works a lot better this time. And then you can always just take your top coat and agitate the top of it again to do the magnet a different way and try it out if you don't like the look first time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and maybe if you have some chrome or any kind of pigments or even some eyeshadow or something laying around the house, maybe pick it up and try it out. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye.
Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something